Hi, I'm Allan Whiting from Outback Travel Australia. We're testing two of the latest HiLuxes that have been factory modified. This one is the Rogue and has carpet and leather faced seats. The Rogue comes with street-oriented tyres, an integrated sports bar, side steps, and it has a roller tonneau cover. With LED lighting in the tub, a power outlet, and a carpeted tub and tailgate. We think the Rogue variant is very much an urban four-wheel drive. This is the Rugged X variant of the HiLux, and we like this a lot. They've thought about all the extras they've put onto this vehicle. It's got a steel nudge bar that's quite deep, and you can fit a winch behind it, and it has integrated light bar and driving lights. HiLux ride and handling are greatly improved, but there's still a need for better quality dampers. Towing performance was very good, but fuel consumption increased from an average of 9.2 litres per 100 to 14.5. Off-road, the Rugged X was most impressive with and without the use of the rear diff lock. Hill descent control didn't work very well in this steep stuff. The HiLux engine bay is very well set out. There's room for a second battery, and the fuel filter is easy to reach. It's a plastic housing. We'd rather see steel, but at least you can get at it, and it has a primer pump on it. The air cleaner's easy to get to, and the air comes in through the inner mudguard, which is much better than a scoop here. And this vehicle has a snorkel, part of the Rugged X package, and the scoop can be turned around if you're rather the streamlined look and have that rearward facing. The Rugged X comes with all the expected modern electronics, and it's got the fashionable screen. It's not the best screen in the business. When the sun's on it, it's not easy to see, but it's got Android and Apple CarPlay. Like the Rogue, the Rugged X comes with leather-faced seats, and the driver gets a powered seat. The HiLux back seats are okay, but like with most of them, best for kids, adults for short distances. And when you're two up, there's a nice armrest in the back seat. The Rugged X tray is a lot more practical than the Rogue. It's got a sensible, strong sports bar, tie downs, and tray and tailgate liners. The Rugged X comes with clearly marked front and rear recovery points and rock rails. We think Toyota's done a pretty good job with the Rugged X. It enjoys the new upgraded engine with 500 Newton meters of torque, and it comes with a tow bar. We did a tow test and it behaved very well. The only extras that we reckon you would need are improved dampers. The ride is still not perfect, but it's better than it used to be. And the tyres. You'd think on the Rugged X they would have put rugged tyres, but it comes with the normal Grand Treks that Toyota's in love with. But for less than 70 grand, it's a very good package when you see the extras that have been included.